Hi everybody, I'm here to invite you to my next Ukulele Melodies Workshop. That's this Saturday, May 13th, 10 a.m. to noon Pacific time. We meet live on Zoom and it's also recorded, so wherever you are, even if you can't make it to the live session, you are welcome to join us. You can register at averyhill.studio/shop. I'll also include a direct link to the class registration below in the description. But again, that's this Saturday, May 13th, 10 a.m. Pacific time. You can join us from anywhere in the world, and if you can't make it live, you can still sign up and get the recording. This month, we're going to be looking at Jamaica Farewell, a Jamaican folk song that was later adapted by Irving Burgess, and then, of course, made famous by the great Harry Belafonte, who we just lost recently. So in celebration of his legacy and his music and the many cultures he uplifted with the music that he shared with the world, we will learn Jamaica Farewell. And just to give you a little sneak peek, I'm playing here for you coming up next the arrangement that we'll be learning. It's a combination of sing and strum and a little solo arrangement with a little intro and outro. So sit back, enjoy, and I hope that I will get to see you on Saturday. One, two, three, four. Down the way where the nights are gay and the sun shines daily on the mountain top, I took a trip on a sailing ship, and when I reached Jamaica, I made a stop. But I'm sad to say I'm on my way, won't be back for many a day. My heart is down, my head is turning around. Had to leave a little girl in Kingston town. Sounds of laughter everywhere as the dancing girls dance to and fro. I must declare my heart is there, though I've been from Maine to Mexico, and I'm sad to say I'm on my way, won't be back for many a day. My heart is down, my head is turning around. Had to leave a little girl in Kingston town. Down at the market you can hear ladies cry out while on their heads they bear ackee rice. Salt fish are nice and the rum is fine any time of year. But I'm sad to say I'm on my way, won't be back for many a day. My heart is down, my head is turning around. Had to leave a little girl in Kingston town. Yes, I'm sad to say I'm on my way, won't be back for many a day. My heart is down, my head is turning around. Had to leave a little girl in Kingston town. Thank you so much for joining me. If this video was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe below.
It really helps spread the word about this channel. Also, I encourage you to consider becoming a member. It's a great way to say thank you, to keep this channel going, and to enjoy some perks along the way. You can learn more by clicking join below. Thank you so much. Any active engagement is an act of support. I really appreciate it. You can learn more about my work at averyhill.studio.